Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life, and I have a couple hauls I want to share with you. One is a Michael's haul, JoAnn's, and Ranger. First I'm going to start with JoAnn's. A few weeks ago they had stamps on sale and free shipping. And I picked up 2 Delusion stamps. This one is called Nuts in May. Looks like that. And I already stamped these out. I've had these a week or so, but I've just decided to do one video when I got more in. And this one, it says 2 heads are better than 1. Haha. And this one's called Let Me Adjust My Crown. And it says, we lose ourselves in the things we love. We find ourselves there also. And then the other saying is, let me adjust my crown and get my day started. And they have this body and a head and some stars. So them are the 2 Delusion stamps I picked up. Actually, I picked 3 and realized I already owned it, so I gave it to Sabrina for her birthday. So they were $13.25, something on that line's $13. So it was a good deal on them at the moment with free shipping. And the next thing, and this is driving me crazy, I never saw so much wasted material to ship in my entire life. And I've talked about this, but I didn't do a video. So I've been receiving, and I still have one color left out there somewhere that ain't due till the end of next week. One color. That's it. I was looking up Jane Davenport Incredibles, and they were on clearance at Michael's for $2. So I did an order. I did pay shipping. And for the last 7 days, I have received them by themselves or 2 in a package. In boxes. Big boxes. Wasted space, I tell you. So I got this one, which is, I'm actually going to take them out of the boxes because I don't keep them in the boxes, so I'll take them out as we're talking. And this one is Jane Davenport Frida. It's like a red. It has cherries. Some of these actually have the smell. Nope, this one don't. This one don't think so. But I love her inks. So I got this one. And the only difference is she changed the bottles. So I don't know which ones are the newer bottles she's going with or whatever. And I got this one. It's brown. Tinsel Girlinda, it's called. Yeah, there's probably a minute. Got that one. And these all came, 90% of these, shipped 1 or 2 in a big box. It blows me away. And then I got the blue Fresh Air. $2 a piece, couldn't beat that. And I love these. But I still can't believe how they were shipped. It's crazy. Leah's just grinning over on the other side of the table. And I got Mermaid Tail. And I don't even know what color's still out there that's going to be here by the end of next week. I decided I wasn't waiting no longer to do a video for one. And we got Lemonade. Or Limonade. It's a green. Guys, I'm doing a video. Coda. Oh, you guys, I gotta take a picture. Show everybody. Look at. Oh.
Hey, Baba.
Oh, never mind. I'm quiet. Quit choking with his shirt, Riley.
Baba.
And then I'm doing a video.
Outside.
No. Go away. Oh, wait. In a minute. I'm doing a video. This one is Fairy Floss.
Ramen noodle.
I said in a minute, Coda Bear. It's like a pink Fairy Floss. And this one is a darker blue. You guys want some grandkids? I got 4. I'll keep the oldest 2. Hydrangea, the purple. This one is like a, it's a blue. I thought maybe it was the same. That's right if they are. Riley. And I got watermelon. And I don't even know what other color I have coming at the end of the week, because I gave up. Then I also was buy one, get one 50% off, so I picked up some Delusion ink. So I got the 3 colors here, and then I got that one as well. And that's my Michael's order. But crazy. I never saw so much waste cardboard. Save a tree, Michael's for love of Jesus. One came in a one little package. The rest were all in huge boxes. Crazy. So, stocked up on them. So I don't know if she's going to be making them anymore. Now, my Ranger order. And with Ranger, and I kept it because I can use it more than once, is I got a little card that said, take 40% off your entire purchase. Use the code Cozy Up. Checkout. And it expires on the 19th of March. It's been a while. We miss you, it's called. So, I decided when I was window shopping, I needed a new couple things. I needed a new art journal, and I loved Diane Riley's art journal. So, I practically got that for free because I saved $27 on this order when everything was like $20 or above. So, I saved $27. And I thought it was a pretty good deal on what I bought. Let's see. I will tell you the price of each other. Ooh, wait for the grandkids to see these, but I didn't even know. So, I bought this one. I thought it was kind of cool with what was going on. Lockdown, stay safe. We are making history. Pandemic. And it's the little mask on everybody. I'm going to be using that this week. Isn't that cool? So I got that one. And I've been wanting this one for a while. And it's home. Home is the nicest word there is, and it's got different little houses. So I got that one. And, oh, I didn't tell you what I paid for them. Okay. This, let's see. $21.99. $21.99. And, oh, I bought her a large art journal. I love her art journals. I love the paper in them. So I needed a new one. And that was $24.99. And I saved $27.58 with that 40% off. So I paid $48.94 for all this. That was a good deal. So that's why I took advantage of it. Because usually I can find these stamps on Jago's cheaper. And I have a big order. I bet you I bought 8 stamps of Delusion from Ozark. That order will be in on Monday or Tuesday, and I'll do that by itself. But I want to play, so I got to clean my craft room so I can play with this. So I really want to putz with the mask one. So that is my orders. I don't think I have anything else. So, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you have a good Saturday. And I'm going to tidy up my craft room because it is a disaster. You can't even see the table top. And my floor has got boxes all over it. And I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.